Today's how-to video will show you how to calculate a person's age based on their date of birth. We will use the YEARFRAC function to perform this task. The YEARFRAC function calculates the fraction of a year between two dates based on the number of whole days. I have some data already entered in Microsoft Excel, and before we start entering any formulas or functions within the worksheet, I'm going to format my data as a table. So I'm simply going to click on any one cell within my data, go to Insert, go to Table, Create Table dialog will appear, and simply OK that. Now, I'm going to move into the cell where we perform a calculation to calculate a person's age based on their date of birth. For the YEARFRAC function that we will use, we need a start date and an end date. We will use the date of birth as a start date and today's date as an end date. But rather than typing the current date in, we will use the today function. The today function returns a computer system date, and this will ensure that the age is updated continuously when a worksheet is changed or opened. So to start off, we'll start keying your equal sign. We'll go and type year. All the year functions are displayed. I'm going to use my down arrow to choose YEARFRAC, press the tab key, and YEARFRAC will appear in my cell. Excel now requires a start date, so I'm going to click on the first person's date of birth. Notice your little screen tips below the function. I now require a comma. Excel requires an end date. Well, the end date will be today's date, and as I've just said, I'm going to use the today function. So we'll go and type the word today in. Again, I'll bring up the first two letters, press the tab key. No arguments are required in the today function, simply close a bracket. Another comma is required. Now, basis is optional. If you have a look, this is what's required for the basis option. For this particular function, we don't need anything. So I'm simply going to close bracket to finish my function. Press the enter key, and the years followed by a number of decimal places are displayed. I have one more thing to do to the formula. I'm going to include the int function, which will round the number down to the nearest integer. So, little shortcut, folks. Press the F2 key in the cell that will display the contents. After the equal sign, I'm going to type the int function followed by an open bracket, and then at the very end I'm going to finish the function with a close bracket and press your enter key. Notice how all the other ages have been updated automatically. One of the advantages of formatting your data as a table. Thank you for watching today's how-to video. I hope you find it useful.